Hi, this is Butterfly Starlet. Today we will be repeating Om in our meditation, and in between we'll be reading the Songs of Kabir by Rabindranath Tagore, and then repeating 7 more times the Om. The flute of the infinite is play without ceasing, and its sound is love. When love renounces all limits, it reaches truth. How widely the fragrance spreads, it has no end, nothing stands in its way. The form of this melody is bright like a million suns, incomparably sounds the veena of the notes of truth. Thank you for joining me today. The divine in me salutes and recognizes the divine in you. Namaste.